Hello, viewers. Today's topic is free AI tools that feel paid. These free AI tools feel like premium software, but cost 0 rupees. First, ChatGPT free version. Use it for content ideas, writing, coding, captions, scripts, everything. Next, Canva AI. Magic design, magic erase, instant thumbnails, posters, reels, all free. Third, Leonardo AI. Creates super high-quality images that look like Midjourney, but free. Fourth, Pixlr AI. Professional photo editing, background removal, filters. Looks paid, but it's free. And CapCut AI, free video editor with auto captions, templates, effects, face tracking, and TikTok-style transitions. You even get free, realistic AI voices with ElevenLabs Lite. Perfect for Reels, YouTube, and voiceovers. And bonus, Notion AI. Use it to rewrite text, create notes, plan your content, and organize everything. Want part 2 with more free AI tools? Comment more AI and I'll drop the next list.